Got the clothes packed up. We're going on a road trip because it. I wasn't gonna go, but it, going. I'm going. God, I'm so fat.
Or are you gonna come or are you gonna stay?
Yeah, I'm coming. I'm packing up right now.
Okay. Alright, baby. I'll see you later.
Let's see, what are you doing? Oh. Alright, let's do this. I'm gonna skip the driving because no one gives a f and it's boring.
Alright. Well, that damn bag is somewhere, like right in front of me.
Yeah. You good? I don't too much focus.
Charlotte needs tampons and a large lady with a small p, she says. And there's like applicators and... Okay. Alright, here you go. What was the road warrior's name? Alrighty, we'll be back in about... Okay, I will see you in a little bit.
Oh, I like this one.
I don't think we have enough room.
Oh, did you show Charlotte the video?
Oh, shit.
We're going to get fucked. Hey, you come here, witness to wipe the blood off.
Oh yeah. What's good, gang? Back to my YouTube channel. This is no longer a YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel.
I thought I'd hide your own vlog.
Hide my palm?
Hi to your own vlog.
I mean, this sludge right here is probably all bird bird shit.
So adventurous.
Oh, picture. Look, there's multiple nests of babies. Look, see right here.
I have one back at camp. It's nothing like that.